The journey to this place is not an easy one. You will get to see the majestic view of Chokhamba from here. In fact, if you climb to the Buddha Maheshwar, then you can see the 180-degree Himalayas range from here. So friends, let's start the journey how we have reached that place. In order to reach Madmaheshwar temple, we need to reach up to Haridwar by train. So we take Upasana Express from Howrah to Haridwar, and we selected the month of June for our trek. We are 4 people in the team. My name is Milan Datta. My another friend wearing a cap almost all the time and posing for the photos is Mr. Ratul Pal. The third one, singing and laughing all the time, is Mr. Kaushik Thakur. And the fourth one, complete tour planner and behind the scenes photographs and videos, is Mr. Saurabh Chakrabarti. Haridwar is a district of state Uttarakhand in India. Haridwar is the place where the river Ganges enters in the plain areas of North India. After flowing 250 kilometers from the origin Gomukh or Gangotri glacier, Haridwar is the destination where people from across the India visit for pilgrimage and to take the holy dip into the holy river Ganges. Haridwar is a city of ancient times and is one of the great cities of India. Har Ki Pauri is a famous ghat on the banks of river Ganges. Har means Mahadev, or you can say Lord Shiva, and Ki means of. Pauri means the steps. So the steps of Lord Shiva, that is Har Ki Pauri. You can enjoy the evening Aarti from Har Ki Pauri Ghat in Haridwar. We missed the Ganga Aarti in Har Ki Pauri Ghat because our train was 3 hours late. So we enjoyed the night in Har Ki Pauri Ghat with one and only Kishorda.
ये जो मोहब्बत है ये उनका है काम हर महबूब का जो बस लेते हुए नाम मर जाए मिट जाए हो जाए बदला रहने तो छोड़ो जाने तो यार.
Rishikesh is another town which is at a distance of 25 km from Haridwar, and it is known as the gateway of the Himalayas. You can enjoy the view of Ram Jhula, Lakshman Jhula bridges over the river Ganges. But as we have the shorter time since we have to reach the Madmaheshwar, that's why we didn't stay over there. You can enjoy activities like river rafting in Rishikesh. You can see in the video how people are enjoying the river rafting over the river Ganges. As all of you know that Prayag means the confluence of the rivers. Now, Devaprayag is the confluence of the river Alkananda and the river Bhagirathi and takes the name of Ganga from here. You can see the view of Alkananda and Bhagirathi from here. Similarly, Rudraprayag is the confluence of the river Alkananda and Mandakini. Ukhimot is a small town and it is the Hindu pilgrimage site in Rudraprayag state. It is situated at a distance of 41 km from Rudraprayag. During the winters, the idols from Kedarnath temple and Madmaheshwar temple are being brought to Ukhimot and they are being worshipped here for 6 months. Kashi village is a base point of the trek Madmaheshwar. You can get a clean sky from here and the night stars are so bright from the Rashi village. There are 2 or 3 places to stay in the night over there. They charge only 500 per night. You get a mesmerizing view at the time of sunrise. Since Madmaheshwar is the second Kedar of Panch Kedar, so we started our journey from Rashi village to Gondar village. Gondar village is 6 km from Rashi village. From Rashi village, we take our guide cum porter, and their name is Birbal and Ajay Panwar. Both of them belongs to the village, local village Bantoli. It is a special request to all our viewers that don't give them a heavy luggage. After all, they are also the human being. So be kind with them. On the way to Gondar, we got a beautiful waterfall. So we stopped there for a minute, as you can see in the video. On the way to Bantoli from Gondar, we get a beautiful cascade of water with a nice green hill in our background. From Gondar, Bantoli is up to 1 kilometer. So if you want to have a lunch over there, then the next lunch point is 1 kilometer from the starting point of the Bantoli village. That lunch point name is also the village Bantoli. One great thing we enjoyed in this trek is the kindness of the local people. They are always ready to help you. They always remind us that money is not the only way to make a bridge between us. We need to mention specially about the tea shop maintained by 3 ladies in Katarakhal. They offered a cup of tea to all of us with a Parle-G biscuit packet without any cost, because we were tired at that point of time. So we waited there for some time. Bantoli to Khatarakhal, the distance is 1 kilometer, and from there we were going to the place where we stayed at the night, that is Nanu. The village is 2 kilometers from Khatarakhal. The first day we started from Rashi and reached up to Nanu. Since we are doing the first trek, that is why it is enough for us. In Nanu, the night stay is cheaper than the Rashi village. It is around 300 per night including food. We reached to the rhododendron forest from Nanu towards Madmaheshwar. My Motu friend Koshik started a song so we can enjoy the beauty of the place with the song.
আর কি বা দিতে পারি পুরনো মিছিলে পুরনো ট্রামেদের সারি ফুটপাত ঘেঁষা বেলুন গাড়ি সুতো বাঁধা যত লাল আর সাদা এরাই আমার থত মতো এই শহরে রডোডেন্ড্রন ও শহরের উষ্ণতম দিনে ভিজ ঘাটলার দূরে বৃষ্টির বিশ্বাস তোমায়
We never thought that one day we will be walking through clouds. Here we forgot to mention that one black dog followed us continuously from Khatarakhal to Madmaheshwar temple, as you can see in the photo. When we reached to Madmaheshwar temple, clouds were obstructing our view to see the mountain range. But after a rain of 2 hours, all the surroundings got clean like a magical world. Hello everyone, we are now beneath the blue sky and witnessing the gorgeous Himalayas standing to each other. If I show you all of this, it is the valley of Madmaheshwar along with Madmaheshwar temple. And believe me, this is the reason for coming. We are now witnessing the majestic view of Himalayas which cannot be captured in video. I would like to add a famous quote here. Mountains are not stadiums where I satisfy my ambition to achieve. Rather, they are the cathedrals where I practice my religion. I strongly believe that mountains are the beginning and end of life. Madmaheshwar temple is situated at a distance of 2 kilometers from Madmaheshwar temple. From there, you can get a majestic view of Mount Jokhamba. A local village boy, Ankush, and his brother Ajay Panwar guided us to reach that place. There are 4 pools of water where you can see the reflection of Mount Jokhamba. So now enjoy a beautiful sunset through our lens.